Ready to go bananas with your brain? You've got 10 seconds to guess the fruit using just a few emojis. Some are easy, some will make you squint like you bit a lemon. Let's play. Let's start soft and sweet. These fruity emojis are easier to pick than apples at a farmer's market. This one's smooth, sweet, and judging you. Mango. Starfruit. Coconut. Pineapple. Watermelon. Banana. Apple. Alright, Smarty Peels, time to turn up the difficulty. These fruity clues may get a little seedy. Pear. Cherry. A mythical fruit with a wild look. Guess it. Dragon fruit. Grapes. Not sure if this is a fruit or a software update. Blackberry. Now it's getting juicy and weird. These fruits might stump even the ripest minds. It's a beast of a fruit. Can you name it? Jackfruit. Orange. Blueberry. Kiwi. Date. Pomegranate. Papaya. Lemon. Bonus round, baby. One last mystery emoji. Think you know it? Prove it in the comments, we're not telling. Drop your answer in the comments below. And that's it, fruit fans. How many did you get right? Ripe to the core or slightly squishy? Let us know in the comments and tag your fruitiest friend to take the quiz too. Like, subscribe, and stay juicy.